Today we are making a classic no-bake strawberry cheesecake from the United States. It serves 12 people and takes about 25 minutes of active prep, plus 6 hours of chilling. Let's get started. 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. These will form a buttery, classic crust. 1/2 cup of unsalted melted butter. This binds the crust. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness in the crust. 24 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is the creamy base of the filling. 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to sweeten the filling without grit. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for warmth and aroma. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten the flavor. 1 cup of cold heavy cream. We will whip this to stiff peaks. 1 1/2 cups of sliced fresh strawberries for the topping. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Line a 9-inch springform pan with a round of parchment on the bottom and lightly grease the sides. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Stir with a spatula until it looks like damp sand and clumps together when pressed. Transfer the crumbs to the prepared pan and press firmly into an even base and slightly up the sides using a flat bottom glass. Chill the crust in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set while you make the filling. In a second large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese on medium speed until completely smooth, about 1 minute. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Beat until fluffy for 1 to 2 minutes, scraping the bowl as needed. In a chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream to stiff peaks, about 2 to 3 minutes. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture in 2 additions until no streaks remain. Spoon the filling over the chilled crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula. Cover the pan and refrigerate for at least 6 hours, or overnight, until fully set. Run a thin knife around the edge to loosen, then release the springform ring and transfer the cheesecake to a serving plate. Arrange 1 1/2 cups of sliced fresh strawberries neatly over the top. Warm a knife in hot water, wipe it dry, then slice and serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Loved it? Hit like, subscribe for more no-bake desserts, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.